everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Battlestate Games Launcher for Escape from Tarkov on PC. First, open your browser and go to escapefromtarkov.com. This is the only official website. Click on the login icon in the top right corner. Enter your account details and sign in. If you don't have an account, click Create Account and set one up. You need it to use the launcher. Once logged in, click on the Settings icon, usually a gear icon, then click on Downloadable Content. Inside the Downloadable Content section, look for Battlestate Games Launcher. Click Download. Wait for the launcher installer to finish downloading. Now locate the downloaded installer file, usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click it. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. Follow the installation steps on the screen. It's very simple. Once it finishes, the Battlestate Games Launcher will be installed on your PC. And that's it. You're now ready to log into the launcher, install Escape from Tarkov, and start playing.